A while ago we had the privilege to meet Joram and Noémie, two amazing people who travel around in their self-converted Ford Transit with their two dogs Roxy and Lena. A few weeks later we decided to team up together to go on a one-week adventure and check out their amazing clothing brand VAGABUNDO WEAR. We packed up gear and went out to discover the unreal beauty of the northern Spanish coast and mountains. Go give them some love, check out the Vagabundo website, I'll put the link down in the bio. Vagabundo is an amazing brand for adventurous souls who wants to live a sustainable lifestyle. Everything they make is 100% environmental friendly and 10% of their profits go directly to dog charity. They have a huge stock sale going on right now, and if you order with the discount code GOWONDER, you get an extra 10% off on top of every purchase. So go check out the website. I'll put the link in bio. Has been a while since I've posted and I'm really sorry, but I promise you guys I've got some really cool stuff and some really cool collabs going on. So hang on for a little longer and I'll try to upload more frequently. Before you know, I'm uploading on a weekly basis again. So thanks for watching and see you next time.